Fits old style 114A, R, 115A, R, 440 per liter 441 per liter. Built from quality materials. Clearance, side marker replacement lens. Quick and easy installation. A world-leading innovator in the design, engineering and manufacturing of a complete line of commercial vehicle and trailer harness and lighting systems. Top reviews from the United States. It did fit. It fit, and this is what happens when I borrow a trailer. I broke the lens. So I replaced it. Owner happy now. Replacement lens for older incandescent marker light. Right lens for older Kaufman trailer. If I were replacing several, I would use LED.